In this video, we will see how to change the font and color of text inside Adobe Express. To add text, you can copy it from somewhere else and paste it here, then resize it. Or you can click text and then write the text directly in the design. To edit the text, you need to click on the text in the design, or you can click on the Layers panel on the side if it is hard to select the text directly. With the text, you have many more options. You can add an outline around the text and change its color. The first color is for the text color. When you open it, you have some options, or you can choose whatever color you like. Under it, you have more options for choosing colors. The next color box is for the outline of the text. Click this button, and you can then change the thickness of the outline of the text. To change the font, you can click here and choose which font you like. You can also upload a font you got from a different source and use it here. If you click More Fonts, you get a lot of other fonts, and if you click them, it will add that font to your list. Now, let's see how to upload the font to Adobe Express. Go to a project in Adobe Express, then click Brands, click Fonts, and then click the plus button to add another font. You'll see the upload option. Click it, and in the pop-up, click Add Font to upload the font from your computer. Use the OTF file if you have one from Envato Elements or anywhere else you downloaded the font. Now check the box to confirm you have the license and click Add. If you don't see the font in your brand kit, click See More, and you'll see the font you just uploaded in the list. From here, you can also add more fonts if you want. Click the plus button, then Choose Font, and upload the font the same way. To find the font in the Fonts library, when you add plain text, click Text in the left side menu, and then click Add Text again to place it on the canvas. Click the font selection box on the left. If the font is uploaded to the brand kit, you'll see it at the top of the list. If not, scroll down to find the uploaded fonts list. If you have a long list and don't see the font, click See More. You can also click the font box and type the name of the font if you know it, so you can find it faster. And if you want to upload a font from here, just click Upload at the bottom of the font list and do the same steps as before. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.